saving parameters for reports and reloading them. So, I mean, I could do this in 3 seconds. So I'm going to also add, adding it to a folder on your desktop. So let's look for a report. I'll do my favorite report, which is the merchandise analysis report, and I'm going to load that. Okay. So once you have the merchandise analysis report, you can do a lot of things with it. So for example, I'm going to go to the options here and I'm going to load parameters. These are all the different reports that this one report can be. So it can be a purchase analysis report, my top 50, a category report, cost summary report. So when we say save your parameters, that's essentially what you're doing. You're going to come here and save your parameters, and then you'll have the ability to reload it. So that's basically the topic, and that's everywhere where you have reports in Counterpoint that you can do that. And I didn't want to get out of that yet. Oh, sorry. Now I'm done. Okay, let me go back into that. All right, so let's go ahead and do this exercise. So I'm going to analyze this report by group, and I want it to be my, let's say, back to season. This will be a seasonal group report, and I want to do my top 100, and I'm going to rank by sales, and I will do a custom view here. So to make sure we have plenty of data. All right. And then from here, you can do all locations, a location group or a single location. I'm going to show some graphics. I can add columns. So if I don't want this profit percentage here, I can take that out and then maybe add returns to the report. Okay. And this is a filter, so you can filter things out. Again, whenever there's a filter, you can customize a block and add that in. Okay, so there we go. That's going to be my report. Okay, not much of a report. So at this point, once I have my report, I can hit the save button and then do the same thing. You can save multiple formats. Okay, but I'm going to close this and I'm going to save my parameters, and this is going to be my top 100 season report. Okay, and I can make it public, or it can just be my report. So we'll keep it public. All right, so now if I go back to load, I should see that report there. There we go. All right. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to put it in my managers folder right here. So this is my managers report folder. So I'm going to go up to menu codes, and menu codes you can also find in system and then menus, but I'm going to type it up here and look for menu codes. Okay, so this is your menu codes that you basically create, or maybe we created when we got you started for your user groups. So I'm a manager, so this is my manager user group. So I can hit the menu editor function here, and now it's going to bring up my menus. So this is my menu, my manager menu. Okay, so it looks similar to this. That's what I have here. And this is the default menu here on the right. Okay, so I want to go into inventory and find that report that I did. So I want to find merchandise analysis. So I'm going to go to reports and merchandise analysis. Okay, I'm going to expand these as well. Okay, let's go to merchandise analysis again. Okay, so it's over here as well, but that's because it's a different report. So if I click on that, you can see this is not defined, but you know what? Let's move it so it's not confusing. Okay, so I'm going to go back up to my merchandise analysis report. All right, and now I'm going to take this and drag and drop it into my managers folder. Okay, now if I now went into this, it's just going to say merchandise analysis report, and it's just going to load the merchandise analysis report, not the specific parameter report that I created. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to click on that report on the custom menu side. And now I'm going to name that report. So this is going to be, so my top season report. All right, and then I'm going to come down here where it says report parameters, and I'm going to find that. So where's my top season report? Let's see, where are you? There we go. So my top 100 season report. All right, so there we go. So now when I go into my folder, I'm going to hit close. I'm going to hit save. And then I think I'm going to have to save it one more time. And I'll get out of that. And then we'll go into reports. And there's my top season report. So now when I click on that, all I have to do is preview. And all my parameters are saved. And it will pull up the report.